Hi everyone, this is Norma Duaron from normaduaron.net. Today we're going to be talking about basic on-site SEO, and what this is really is just the language that you need to add to new content on your website. And it's a language that search engines need to read new content and existing content also if you've done it in the past. So it's really important for you to do this part for every new post, graphic, PDF, video, audio that you insert on your site, so that Google or whichever other search engine can read what you're up to. So I'm just going to show you the web page for the WordPress SEO plugin, and this is by Juice to Vault. This plugin is one of the best that you can find online. It's very user friendly, and once you go through it with me, you will see that it's really not that hard to use. You can optimize your WordPress site with just one plugin, and it's the most complete SEO plugin for WordPress that's available today. And it offers you everything you need to optimize your site. So it's pretty detailed. Let's just go back to our website. And I'm just going to go, you just need to go to plugins. And once you're there, right on top here, it says install. Well, wait, I'll just show you. There. Here it says add new. You just click on that. And in here, you're going to write WordPress SEO plugin. And then we're going to search. And as you can see, there's many different ones coming up. But what I want you to do is not really rely on the title here, but look by who it is developed by. And right here, you can see that it's Juice Default. That's the one you want. So you would just go and click install now. Mine is saying install because it's already in there, but yours would show up this way if you haven't installed it yet. So just click on the install now, and then it will upload. And then when it's done, you just activate the plugin. It automatically will show up in under your blog post or your blog page. So let's just go over there. And this is where it will show up right here, WordPress SEO by Yoast. And this is the information that you need to enter for each post or page. So I just went ahead and gave a new post headline. Now, whatever title you give to your page or your post, you need to copy that and go in here where it says permalink and paste that in here, because you want these two to be the same thing. So once you did that, you just click OK. Then the next thing you do is go into your post, and you need to insert that title here again. So I'm just going to make it bigger. 24. Okay. So this is going to be the title for the page. Now, you might be tempted to go ahead and add an exclamation mark here or in your title. I really suggest that you don't, because it's going to break your URL right here. Any exclamation mark or out of character letter like %, dollar, and all of these things is going to break your URL. So don't put them in your title or anywhere else on your page. So now I'm just going to make sure that I've got this copied, and we're going to go down. So it automatically puts the title you put on top here in your snippet preview. So it's right here already. Now you need to decide what your keywords are going to be. What I do is just paste my title in here, and then I'll get rid of words that really don't need to be there. So you can keep visible, online, super fast. Let's try that and see how it works. Okay, as you can see, what was red changed to green here, except for the page URL. We're not going to worry about it right away. We'll see as we go on if it changes. So in the meta description, oh, just a second. The SEO title, here it just automatically put in the title that you put on your page. Now if you want it to be something different, you can change it, but I think it's just giving you more of a headache than anything else, because it might affect the way this all turns out. So I just leave it be. If it's good enough for my title, way on top here, it's good enough for my SEO title too. So then I just go add my meta description. So I paste my title once again. Always put a comma after it, and always use capital letters at the beginning of each word. Now we need to think of other meta description words that we can put in here. So just let me think. I'll just use how to get this visible super super fast online, then a comma, and you would think of different words that you can use, series of words that you can put in here. You can see here I've still got 90 characters left, so let me think. Increase visibility super fast. Super fast. The thing is that whatever series of words you're going to use, there has to be at least one word that is in your title for it to work. Because what you're really doing here is thinking of words that people would be searching online to find. So they could be typing in "get visible online super fast" and find that post, or "how to get visible super fast online," or "increase visibility super fast." Now I've got 59 left, but you're getting the drift of what I mean. So you have to think what words you're going to be using here. And here in the meta keywords, you just paste your title once again. And what I do is just copy this and add it down here too. And there you go. Now this would be pretty much done. We're going to see when we update it to see what it says. Now you go to the right here where it says tag, and you paste all the words that you have put here in your meta description. So you paste everything in here, click add, and you can see that it added it here. Oh, I missed one, so I'll just go copy this one. Paste. There you go. So every group of words that I had entered in here are now in here. So that's good. I'm just going to put that in my blog. And then we're going to save the draft to see how well we've done with our SEO plugin. Now let's go below and check it. Everything turned green, so that's a good sign. Sometimes you might get 4, 5, 6, 7, the numbers in here. It depends on, right here, what I did is just use this as if it was like one long set of keywords, but let's just try it to see if we did it individually, what would happen. So, just a second. You need to insert that straight line in between words. So let's just see what this, see, just doing it this way, that would mean this is one keyword and this is another set of keywords. As you can see, it changed all my things to red, so that is not good. So I'm just going to put it back. Let's see if I put Superfast. No, that doesn't work either. Sometimes you can add more than one keyword, but it has to be keywords that can stand alone. So this is it for how to fill in the information for the SEO plugin. Now I'm going to show you something over here where it says page analysis. Now you might be seeing another color here instead of the green. Green light says that everything's fine, don't worry about it, move on. But if you get another color in here, sometimes you need to move on anyways, but sometimes there are things that you can do to improve the ratings on your SEO. So you just come to the page and analysis, and if you see the red or orange or yellow light on top here, you can go here and see what you can do to improve it. So for the first one here, it says you have not used your keyword, key phrase in any subheading, such as heading 2 in your copy. So you could go in here and add a subheader in heading 2, and that could increase your SEO. Or it might be that the keyword density is 36%, which is a bit low, and the keyword was found one time. Well, like I said, you could be seeing that number 5, 6, 7 times. So this might be something that you can improve on. The images on this page do not have all tags containing your keyword phrases. So I'm going to show you, like this graphic here, if you went before, where you went to add the graphic, you went into your add media. You've got all kinds of graphics in here. Well, these graphics need to be optimized too. So I'm just going to click on this one, which is one that I had not done. So this is perfect. I'll just pretend that this one is one that I'm going to be inserting into this blog post. And I'm going to paste the title again, so it's attached to my blog post. The caption, you don't need to put anything in there. The alt text, you paste the same thing, and in the description, you can paste the same thing too. Now, once you fill these 3 spots, it means that your image is all ready to be read by SEO. So I'm just going to go and insert this. Center, right, and insert into post. There you go. So now my image is optimized. I'm going to save the draft. And let's go back to page analysis. Another thing that you could do to increase your SEO thing going on in your post is you could have outbound links appear in this page. And you need to be appropriate. You don't just add them out of the blue, but you could add a link to another post of yours in this post, or you could link to somewhere else on the internet too. The meta description is under 120 characters, where I showed you just a while ago. Over here I have 59 characters left, so I could be adding a lot more words in here. That's what they're talking about. The available space is shorter than the usual 155 characters because Google will also include the publication date in the snippet. Okay, so the page title contains keyword phrase, but it does not appear at the beginning. Try to move it to the beginning. What they're saying here is that your keyword should be showing up at the beginning of your post. So if you've not done that, you can go do it. The copy scores is 67.2, which is considered okay. There are 279 words contained in this copy, and it's slightly below the 300 word recommended minimum. Now, under here you can see what the word count is for your post, and today it's just 280, which is very, very low. SEO demands at least 300, but I recommend that you go for at least 800 plus character in your post. And the reason for that is because Google considers content that is published to be valuable by the amount of characters there are in there. And what they're looking for is over 1,000 characters. That's what they consider valuable. They don't think that having a 300 character post is enough, that in that amount of characters it's not possible to bring value. So that's why they have changed the way they do things. And in the last few updates, that's what they're saying, that you need to have around 1,000 characters at least. You can probably get by with 800, but to be on the safe side, I always put in between 1,000 and 1,200 characters in there. But don't just use characters and not have something important to say. If you really can't find anything, just finish at whatever characters you have. But I find that it's not that hard to add valuable content until I've reached that over 1,000 mark. So now we're ready. Everything has been done for this post. We're just going to hit publish. And we'll go see our nice new post. View post. And here we go. We've got our new post up and going. So this is it for today. I'm glad that you took the time to listen, and I hope that you got a clearer image of how to update your site with the SEO plugin and how important it is to be done. Every time you have new content going out, make sure that you fill out the SEO information. This is how search engines, they grab what you say, read that, and then they index it. So I hope you learned something today and that you're going to put it into practice, and we will see each other soon. Thanks and goodbye.